grateful to Slovenia for having established a strong presence here in Paris throughout the games. And I wish best of luck to Slovenian athletes that are going to compete in the next few days. So already won a gold medal, which is an accomplishment for a country like Slovenia. And I just heard that Slovenia ranks first among all countries in terms of the number of athletes by inhabitants. So Slovenia is just like France, a sportive nation, and very happy that they join forces here in Paris on this great moment of French and Europeans.
We just had today a business conference between Slovenian and French companies in mostly focusing on how to make connections. Do you think that events like this can also increase our good mutual relations?
They can accelerate our relationship that is already very tight. President Macron has put a lot of emphasis on this relationship. We've had joint projects in one of the many fields, but in particular in the digital field with this Center for Cybersecurity that France and Slovenia have co-sponsored. That is going to be established in Montenegro. There are many areas where our cooperation is very fruitful, and an opportunity such as the Games can only accelerate that.
Well, I would like to express all my appreciation and gratitude to Mr. Minister to visit our Ministrom here in the heart of Paris, very, very close to the French Cup, which is privilege for us. And I think it was also for us a great decision that we took already 2 years ago to rent this place and to be the heart of Paris, and to celebrate sports and athletes, but on the other side to promote Slovenia as a whole, its culture, its industry and tourism, which we are doing. So Paris today is not only the center of sport in the world, but it's also the center of diplomacy, economy, and so on and so on. So for us, it's a fantastic platform for that. But I'm taking the opportunity also to congratulate the French state and the French government to organize such amazing games, because it is true. At the beginning, we were saying, yes, these are going to be the more sustainable games and so on and so on. But it is true, they are. And also, they are by far the most urban ever in the history. So I'm also amazed all the time while going to Grand Palais, see the fencing or whatever, or go to Trocadero or Place de la Concorde and to see those events close to people, not even to mention this opening ceremony, which was also closer to people. So congrats to that. We still have a couple of days to go for finish this, but yes, we are happy to experience that. Congrats to France for that, and we really feel, which is important to be stressed out, that we really feel like home here in Paris. Everybody is so gentle and nice, the volunteers from all around the globe and so on and so on. And thank you for organizing this, and thank you again for visiting our house. And it is the proof of the, let's say, Olympic family and the sport that unites people. But on the other side, it's also a clear sign of amitié franco-slovéenne, n'est-ce pas?
Merci.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Rennes.
Thank you.